Hello everyone, we are so excited to be here tonight. My name is Kristen McGuire.
My name is Zoe Lau.
And today we're here to tell you about Kiri. Our team originally came together about a year ago as part of a class project, but even though we are each from an entirely different major from campus, we were united by a passion for helping parents and children. So we initially dove into our market research, trying to find a product that would help parents and children with the struggles they face each day. It didn't take us long to learn that children under the ages of 12 are spending almost 3.7 hours every single day in front of a screen. And that pain is multiplied by the fact that parents, 98% of parents, share a perceived risk of technology and the internet. This is a huge problem that faces people every single day.
And so the team went about trying to create a product for this. And so our first assumption was that parents really wanted something that would limit the time kids spend on screens. And so we came up with the chameleon case. This is an iPhone case that would change color when kids would spend too long. And so we went about and tested this product amongst 151 parents. And the results was very surprising. In fact, 111 parents actually told us that they thought technology could be used for a good thing rather than negative. And so they didn't really actually like this product.
Yeah, we definitely knew at the end of this survey that parents did not want chameleon case. Instead, parents were asking for something that was educational and that their children could play. That was a recurring theme, is they wanted their children actually playing instead of sitting in front of a screen. So this thought of playing led us to think of the toy market. And smart toys actually make up $90 million of the global toy market right now. And that's projected to grow to $2 billion in the next 3 years. So this was a huge opportunity for us. We decided we wanted to jump into this toy idea and give children an alternative to sitting in front of a screen. So this led us to create Kiri, the screenless smart toy.
And so Kiri, the name actually comes from Japan, the Kiri tree, where it is planted when a baby girl is first born, and it will grow, and then when the girl reaches 18 or the age of marriage, they will cut down this tree and use it to create dowry. And so we named this toy Kiri as well to reflect the fact that this toy can grow with a child and it can teach them and let them learn.
The other inspiration for Kiri came from the iconic wooden block, which used play to teach children the alphabet and letters. Well, we've done the same thing, but we've taken RFID technology to take it a step further and make it an interactive and engaging experience for children. Kiri, as you can see, has plenty of tech components, and when Kiri is placed on one of our pre-programmed cards, it will react. Using colors, sounds, it will read to you, it will vibrate. We can even change the language if you'd like to educate your child in a different language. So we have Mandarin and Spanish currently. Honestly, the possibilities are endless with Kiri. And we are so excited to take this new idea out and practice and see parents' feedback for it.
And so our second assumption was that parents really wanted something like Kiri to help with them to teach their kids. And so we went about and brought this to parents. And through Google Ad, we got 148 clicks. And amongst them, 45 of them actually tried to purchase this product before we actually even made one. And so this was very validating for us to know that there was a need in the market.
Yeah, knowing that Kiri was the solution that they were looking for was huge. Our third assumption is that we could reach parents through social media marketing. Moms spend tons of time on social media, we all know that, and we were going for an online direct sales revenue model. So we wanted to see if we could reach our parents through social media. So we sent out a survey through the social media channels we would be using to sell our product through, and out of the 100 parents that replied to our product, 62 of them actually left their email and said, "We want to be on your test list, we want to hear about Kiri in the future, let us know when it comes out."
And so this brings about our fourth assumption. We want something that we are able to manufacture within the cost budget. And so we first went and did a survey with follow-up interviews with amongst 30 or more parents and asked them, how much are you willing to pay for this product? And on average, they told us they would be willing to pay around $80. And so we then went to talk to manufacturers, showing components and trying to build up a cost. And we found out that on average, per Kiri toy, would cost only around $10, and that was really good for us to know that we were able to fit within this budget.
That was a great cost structure that we were looking for. Something else we learned though, with those interviews with parents, we found a very valuable market segment that we had missed. I personally took around Kiri to play with children, and in these efforts I met Crew and Cassie. Crew is 5 years old and he has Down syndrome. Crew is just now learning to speak, which is something that a child of a normal developmental stage would learn at 18 months to 2 years. Watching Crew play with Kiri was amazing. He would tap the colors and he started to say the words along with them, and his face lit up as he started to learn these concepts. What was even more valuable was the look on Cassie's face. For the first time, she was hearing her son actually speak. And not only that, but was saying the words correctly, the way that he heard it from the Kiri block. So Kiri is able to provide an experience for children with learning disabilities and attention issues. So we looked into this further and found that actually 1 in 6 children have learning disabilities or attention issues and need customized learning help. We believe that Kiri can do that. Kiri can provide what they're lacking in their own education.
And so this brings about our last assumption, and that we have a toy that has an unfair advantage. We have something that can be catered to all kids' needs, no matter where they are and whatever they're going through. And so we brought this to actually the ABC Kids Expo, where there was 700 exhibitors with over 200 visitors that came to our stall. They were able to give us very valuable feedback. And most importantly, we were able to identify our competitors. We were able to rank all our competitors, and we found out the 4 top qualities that parents were really looking for in toys. And we realized that Kiri actually ticked all the boxes. In comparison to all our competitors, we have something to offer that's still missing in the market.
So with all of that, our business model was validated, and we are so excited about Kiri and taking it further down the road. So thank you all.